All right, guys. Today we are going to be doing an installation of Server 2012 onto an OSX host with VirtualBox as the hypervisor. So let's go ahead and call this Server 2012 version bingo. And we can get by with that. Go to create. We'll create a 40 gig and create. Now remember, we go to settings. We're going to go to the storage, empty here, and I'm going to choose the file that we want to use. And I have it right on my desktop. I'm going to push open. Perfect. Now you can make your network modifications here, or you can do it later. And I'm going to be showing some other networking scenarios on this and some videos at the end. I might even move them to the beginning, but you can leave this just as is for now. Cool. Let's go ahead and start it. Now, the nice thing about these newer operating systems is the boot process is much more streamlined, and everything is just quicker in general. We'll click on next. Install now. And you can just do, you're going to want to pick the one that says with a GUI. Otherwise, you're not going to get a graphical user interface. You're not going to get start. You're not going to get anything that you can actually see. It's all going to be PowerShell. And that's not going to be very helpful in this instance, unless you are really good at PowerShell. That being said, server with a GUI will allow you to play around, install applications, just like you've always seen with any other operating system with a start menu, so on and so forth. Server with a GUI is what you want. You could just do the standard R2. You don't have to do the data center. And accept. Custom. Next. And it will just go ahead and start installing files and do its thing. There we go. Well, let's give it a password. Yep. 4-letter passwords will not work. Password complexities. We're going to do something like P. Let's do it can be anything you want, just as long as it meets the password complexity. And usually that's uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbol, and letters. All right, it looks like it's ready. And if you get stuck, you can always use Control-Alt-Delete, which is in this little menu up here. It's always somewhere. Yeah, you can click on yes. See, the way this little window thing works is it pops up this tile menu, which I just do not like whatsoever. So, especially since this is a good example to show people and remind people, I go to ninite.com and I do not get a referral from this. This is just a good website that I happen to really, really like. Makes things a lot easier on installing clients, workstations, that kind of stuff. And no. Don't care. Go to my website. Don't be a pain in the butt. All right. Whatever. All right. Fine. So this is where I'll install Chrome and Firefox. And then specifically Classic Start. Classic Start gives you the start menu for Windows 8, Windows 2012. Makes things a lot easier on some people, especially when you've got custom workflows or things that you've kind of gotten used to. And then all you have to do is, and you can add Java, .NET. I think I already had .NET. And yeah, so you can go, bam. Fine. Let's just close. And then we're going to save and then run it. And I've got a fairly fast internet connection at home. 300 megabit down by 30 up or something. So everything should download fairly quick. The install should take no more than a minute or two. And I just wanted to show you that. I'm not going to make you sit and wait through it. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video.